How to generate videos using Qwen AI. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about generating videos on desktop using the Qwen AI. So now let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and open your web browser. Then simply search for chat.qwen.ai and hit enter, or you can also search for Qwen.ai. Now go ahead and log into your specific account. If you do not have an account yet, you can go ahead and sign up. Now once you're in the chat page of Qwen AI, select the Qwen 2.5 Max model from the model selection dropdown. Once you do that, choose the video generator option. Now enter a description for your video. For example, a cartoon watermelon dancing in sunshine. Tap on the arrow button. Now this will generate the video according to the prompt that you just gave. Wait for about 5 minutes, and when finished, you can view and download your video. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. This is how you can use the Qwen AI to generate videos on both of your mobile or desktop. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.